family and friends. I hope everyone is good. I'm good. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cecilia. Let me fix this. Okay. My name is Cecilia Axisi. On this channel, I talk about spirituality, African spirituality, to be precise. So yeah, welcome. And today I'm going to share some ideas about synchronicity. On va y arriver. I'm going to be able to say it. Synchronicity. Oof. J'y arrivé. Okay, so I speak English, French, and Twi, so sometimes I tend to mix them. The camera is not focused. Okay. Yes, as I was saying, I mix French and English sometimes. So if there are some words that you have no idea of if it's not English, let me know. Okay, so welcome. I sincerely hope you are good, because with all this pandemic situation, a lot of people, we are all having some difficulties, whether it's mental, our mental state, our financial situation, our work, everything, our social gatherings. Everything has been affected. So I really hope you are good. And if anything you want to talk, I will leave my Instagram on the description box. You can follow me there, or send me your message, anything you want to talk about. Okay, so let's start. So as I said earlier, we are going to talk about synchronicities. I have my notes here, so if you see me looking at them or looking at on the side, I've taken notes that I want to share with you. Okay, so the topic, synchronicities, and that could be in numbers, phrase, words, anything that keep repeating itself regularly, like a lot of time. And let me start in this way. Synchronicity, some would say, it's a mere coincidence. And some would say it's a miracle. Why did I do that? Yeah, some would say it's a miracle. In spiritual world, or in the spiritual realm, we call it angel numbers or ancestral numbers, guiding numbers. So for example, if you keep seeing the twos, 222, it could be a 2. You can see 2 in every numbers, or 222, or 222, like double two, triple two, no, triple twos. And in 22, to start with, is a master number in the numerology. It's a master number. So for example, if you have let's say you are calculating your birth path. You are calculating your birth path. For example, I am a path 4. So if you addition your birth date, the day, the month, and the year, you addition them. And for example, you have 22 at the end. You are not going to do 2 plus 2 to have 4, because 22 is a master number. So 11, 22, 33, and 55, if I'm right, if I'm correct. Those are master numbers, so you don't have to addition them. They are already master on their own. Okay. So, for example, if you are seeing, and also to be clear with everyone, please pay attention to them. At that moment that you keep seeing those numbers, 111, 1111, 911, 222, 333, 444, all the synchronicities, and it could be phrase. For example, don't give up. Don't give up. You are loved. Thank you. I'm grateful. Like, it could be sentence, it could be phrase, it could be anything. Anything that you keep saying them regularly, that your conscience start to notice them, and you start asking questions. That means there are some message for you that is going on, and you need to pay attention. And the way you can do this is, before the moment you saw those numbers, what were your thoughts? What were you thinking about? So you can start with a note. For example, if I'm seeing a lot of twos, like 222, you wake up in the morning, like you wake up in your sleep and it's 222. You go to let's say you go to the supermarket to buy something, and the total is 222 or 20,22. You see, you cancel the 0 and you go 222 again. So you can write those down, and at that moment you can write what were your thoughts, what were you thinking, what were the words that keep coming to your mind. So that would be that for your personal number, then what they mean to you personally. And second, 222 also means you are on the path, you are on the right place at the right time. 222, you are balanced. No, it's balance, harmony, you are aligned. Everything is at where they are supposed to be. So if you are questioning yourself in life, what is going on for you, why things are not working, why this, why that, why this, and you keep saying 222, it's a message from the universe, it's a message from the spiritual realm telling you, hey girl, hey boy, man, lady, you are the place you are supposed to be. You are on the right path, and keep moving. Don't hold back. Don't go back. You are the right path. If you are taking a decision and you keep saying 222, it's a confirmation that is a good choice, and you should take that direction. If you keep seeing thank you, maybe you have been really generous toward yourself and others, and the universe is thanking you. Maybe it's a reminder, someone, the spiritual realm, your ancestors, your guidance, your spirit guide, your guardian angels, your archangels, universe source is reminding you. Maybe you haven't been grateful lately. So the simple word, thank you. You need to say them a lot. You need to appreciate what you have. You need to say thanks to those around you. Maybe your coworker, some people have been helping you, but you have taken them for granted. And it's reminding you to say thank you to them, to thank them. So those could be, and also, a master number, 11. 11 is a master number. So as I said earlier, if you are calculating your path, your life path, and it's 11, you are not going to addition 1 plus 1 to make it 2. It's 11, but it's aligned with 2 as well. So it's 11, 2. I hope it's clear for you. Okay, so 11, I love me 11. Every time I see 11, and I will add some image, because right now I'm recording is 11:11. I saw 11:11, so I will add 11. To me personally, it makes me happy. Whenever I see 11, like all the numbers make me happy, but whenever I see 11, I go like, thank you God, thank you source, thank you my ancestors, thank you to my guide, thank you to my divine higher self. I'm grateful. 11 makes me happy. So when it doubles or triple, woo, I'm in the mood. 11 makes me happy, really happy. So first, as you have seen, this is, to me, it could be a totally different experience for someone else. So you always have to pay attention to how you are feeling when you see, how you feel when you see those numbers. For example, what do I keep saying? For example, yeah, it's example 119. 119. 119. 119. To me, whenever I see those numbers, and 119 and 911 goes hands in hand, just that they are switched. The other one is 119 and 911. So let me start with the 119. So when 119, I take a note here. 119 is selflessness. Selflessness. Is that how it's pronounced? Yeah. Like when you can put your little personal aside and be there for others. Genuinely being there for others. To listen to them, to help, to assist them any way or form, shape that you can. To be generous. And it could also be in reverse. That at the moment that you need help, others are going to be there for you. Any way, form, shape. The recording was 911. Okay, let me continue. So 119, self-love, self-appreciation, and at the same time selflessness, like caring for others without having any intention back, like not expecting anything in return from them, because you can always expect something from source, from universe, from God, from your guidance to pay you karma. The good karma you put out, you receive, and the other way, you receive. So always, we should always try to put a good out there so that we will receive good in return. So that was 119. Now, 911. people's mind, 911 sounds negative. And I'm saying this because, hold on, the camera is not focusing. The 911 code note in our head, in our subconscious, the sad incident that happened in America, the 11th, September 11th, September 11th. The sad incident that happens, and also a lot of countries, the emergency number is 911. So whenever we hear 911, like your heart start to beat faster. It brings in kind of panic, like accident, something bad is about to happen or is happening. But really, it's not that way. 911 means is different for everyone. But 911 is encouraging message from universe to you. Let's put this way. Maybe you have a really hectic day, and at the end of the day, you see 911. It simply means, well done. You did it. You are able to stand firm, grounded, to be the leader, to be in your power, to be in alignment, to be a pillar. 1 pillars. And you were supported, you were protected, you were guided. So it's a well done, encouraging message for you to for achieving your goals, for achieving staying positive throughout the day, even through your difficulties, seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So 911 is encouraging message. And also it could be the 9, you have achieved it, you have ended. Something in your life is ending, not in a negative way. It's something is ending. And your pillar, you always supported. The new phase that you are going to, you are guided and you are protected. So my dear loved ones, whenever you see 119, 911, pay attention to your thoughts, your emotions, how you're feeling at that particular moment when those numbers keep popping up. Okay, so now we go to the threes. The threes. 3, 3, 3, 3. And the threes mean growth. You are growing in life in general. The experience you are being through, you are growing. And it can be in spiritual, in our spiritual journey, but it can also mean in physical world, in the 3D world, I would say. Maybe let's take this way. Sometimes there are some things that would really put you off, like really annoying you a week ago, and this week the same situation will happen, and you will just go, oh my God, and you just move on. You have grown from that. You have mastered that energy. And number 3, 33, master number. So you have mastered, you keep mastering those energies, those situations. So for if something that annoys you a year ago or years ago and keep annoying you, you need to work on that, my dear. And also it could be your life path. your journey. It could be a spiritual journey, it could be your career journey. Maybe you have grown from that work, so you have lost that passion, that interest in it, and you want to move forward. It's another way or form to confirm, to validate your thought that you have mastered what you're supposed to learn at that particular moment. You have learned it, grow, and move forward. Okay, and now 444. The 4. Protection, safety, protection, and support. Whenever you keep saying 444, whether you are new in spirituality, old, wherever steps you are, let this come to your mind first. You are safe, you are protected, and you are supported. No matter the situation you are in, no matter where you find yourself, no matter whatsoever is going on, I am safe, I am protected, and I am supported. The new journey you are taking, it's safe. You are protected in there and supported. So you are not alone. The career changing, you keep questioning yourself. How am I going to do? How am I going to pay the rent? All that as human we keep focusing on. It's safe. You are protected and you are supported. 555. The 5s change. 4444, and we come to the 5. 5 also is a master number. 555, master number, and it brings change. Spiritual, mental, physical, emotional, moral. Your whole being changing. Whether the change is here, the change is happening, is on the verge of happening. Change. So whenever you see 555, your thoughts, if you are in your negative zone, you need to change. You need to switch. Maybe you are not really focusing on the reality. It happens sometimes with me. You are not focusing in the reality. Is you need to shift. You need to be aligned. You need to be balanced. So you can go for the tools, energies, but with the master number 5, so you have to take action. You have to change the situation. So 5 is change. Change. Okay, so let me summarize everything. 111, 1111, or 111, or it could be all the ones you want. And each, as much the number is long, you need to focus also on it. Has an impact on the message that is channeling to you, the message that your guides want you to hear. Your angels, your guardian angels, your ancestors, your ancestor, whatever you want. You need to pay attention to how many of them. Is it 1 3? Is it 2 3s? Or is it 3 3? Triple 3? So you need to pay attention. And as I said earlier, another 911. You need to I'm finding hard to pronounce words today. So 911 is my encouraging message for me to keep moving and improving my vocabulary. So you need to have your journal, and each time a number keep repeating, you write down your thoughts at that moment. What were you thinking? What happening? And for example, my dad passed away when I was very young, around 10 years, when I was 10. And lately I started noticing that when a particular number keep coming up, whether I will dream of him, I will receive message, and something, I will remember something that he used to say. So you need to pay attention to what is going on within you, your thought, and what message you keep seeing around you. The synchronicities. Ooh. Okay, my loves, thanks to you for watching. I will say thanks to our guardians, our ancestors, the spirit, source of life, God Almighty, for guiding us through this chit chat. Have a wonderful week ahead and stay safe. Peace, serenity to you, love. Bye-bye.